Hello class 5. So unit 5 Introduction to MS Excel 2030. We had already completed our maximum topics from this chapter, advantages of spreadsheets, components of spreadsheets, and today we will know about the ribbons and tabs in Excel. So basically ribbons contain 7 tabs: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. So today we will cover home, insert, page layout, formulas, data. So the first one is home. So home Excel sheets. In the ribbon home tab, when we open a workbook, the home tab containing the common text editing tools, which give us the access to commonly used command like font style, font size, numbering, paragraph alignment, cell editing and cell styles. So basically home tab play a very important role. So maximum numbers of changes you can do from this tab. Next is insert tab. It is also very useful tab. It is used to insert pivot table, pictures, chart, graphs, table shapes, screenshot, equations, also header and footer, filter, text, so many things. So this command is in the tab are used to add more information and style to your workbook. So you can check out the groups: tables group, illustration group, chart group, link group and text group. From table you can insert table, illustration you can insert shapes, and from chart you can insert chart. So next is page setup, that is page layout. So you can set up your page. So the page layout tabs allow us to change the print format of the workbook. So this includes changes in the margin, that is width, page orientation, the size of the page, whether it is in portrait or in landscape. So the page break also available here. So you can work with the page by using this tab. So this is also another very useful tab. So next is the formulas. So about these formulas we will learn more in our next class, because here you need to learn what is the formula, but you did not use the formula in this chapter. You're not going to use the formula in this chapter, so but though you have to learn what is formula. So formula and calculation are done using the formula tabs. So that means whatever the formulas like editing, like add, sum, add means sum, then multiplication, subtraction, you can do. Next is data. So data, the filter feature in the data tab is used to sort data quickly. So as we know that in the Excel you can enter maximum numbers of data, so you have to sort it also our data. So by using this feature you can quickly sort our data. So these are the useful debug.